Springfield police arrested a man who was allegedly in possession of a gun and out on bail on firearms charges. Springfield police spokesman Ryan Walsh told 22 News that officers received information that 20-year-old Adam Mullen had a gun illegally. Detectives went to his home on Mill Street where he was arrested after a search. Mullen had an arrest warrant for assault and battery and assault with a dangerous weapon, and he was out on bail for firearms charges. Now he's facing multiple charges, including possession of a firearm without an FID card and improper storage of a large capacity firearm.